Hey guys, so today I'm going to be planting a pigeon pea seed. So this is the pigeon pea pot I got off the plant. It's nice and dry. I popped it open, and the one that I opened up had 2 seeds in it right here, and as you can see they have both sprouted. I put them in a little container of water. It's been just over a week. This one has a little bit bigger sprout than this one. So I'm going to go ahead and plant this one, and I'm going to put this one back in water for a few more days just so it can get a little bit bigger before I plant it. So here is my potting soil. Just going to make a little hole. Going to get my seed. Put it in my container. Cover it up, and then this little guy's gonna go back in the water, and that's it. And then we're just gonna wait for it to come up.